Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Satin Ice. Today's project is this really cute chick cupcake. All you need is orange fondant, black fondant, and some buttercream that's colored yellow. This Satin Ice buttercream icing mix is amazing. It's super easy to make, it's not messy, there's no powdered sugar flying around involved, and it's so delicious. The first step is creating the body and the head of the chick using the buttercream. So you're gonna wanna make a big blob for the body just by squeezing. And then the second blob is gonna be small for the head. Next, I already have my orange fondant for the beak and the feet, and my black fondant rolled out for the eyes. And just like that, you have this cute little chick cupcake. It's perfect for Easter. Definitely tag us, Satin Ice, on Facebook and Instagram. We can't wait to see what you make.